Hey YouTube, we're back at it, and today I'm just going to tackle a really quick engine bay detail touch-up that I thought would look kind of cool. On the factory heat shield, you have these little tiny M8 by 125 bolts. I don't know the length of them. They're maybe 10 millimeters, perhaps. And they're kind of ugly on the top. So I thought what would be kind of cool and a little different is to go with a stainless Allen head key here, and this is M8 by 125, of course, by 16. But the 16 is too long. It won't screw all the way down into the FP manifold. I'll show you here real quick. So there you can see it's screwed all the way down. It's bottomed out, and I've got, I don't know, 3 threads or so sticking out the top. So I have to shorten that. I'll show you what I'm going to use to do that. Just going to use my cutoff wheel here. A Dremel would probably be better if you have a Dremel. I do have a Dremel, but I don't think I have any little cutting wheels for it. A Dremel would be more precise, and you know, this blade is awfully thick, so you have to take that into account when you cut. Also, when you cut, you're going to want to put a nut on the screw itself, because you're probably going to damage the very end of the threads like I did on this one, and now I can't actually screw it in because that first thread I can't get it started in the hole. So by putting this nut on here, you'll unscrew that nut, and whatever damage is done to that last thread, this will kind of help straighten that out so that you can screw it into what you need to screw it into. I'm going to do all 4, but I'll just show you one, and then we'll see what the final result looks like. Alright, so there you go, all finished up. Get a close-up here. And of course it probably won't focus. But there you go, that's how it looks. I think it turned out pretty good. Total cost, $4. $1 for each of those. Just went down to my local Ace Hardware. I think it looks a little bit better than the those bolts that kind of sit on the top. Little detail piece. Alright guys, thank you. Stay tuned for more videos. There we go. Looks like that first thread is decent enough. Yep, decent enough to get started in the manifold. Let's check it out real quick. Yep, there you go. So I did cut that to the right length. It is now touching the manifold, and it's not bottomed out yet. So I just got to cut 3 more like that, and then I can bolt the heat shield on. So let's finish up.